Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right there at the bottom on the left side you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there. That's where the secondary hood release lever is. Put two fingers in there and push it up. Push it up and lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go. Once the hood is open, that right there, that's where the engine air filter is. We need to get that cover off. Now that cover is held in place by 4 clips. That's the first clip, pull it off. That's the second one, pull it back. And now there's 2 on the other side over there, one in the back there. Yep, that's one, pull it back. And the 4th one. That is good. Now the cover can be easily moved, so lift up the cover right there, that's where the filter is. Grab the filter and get it out. That's it should just come right out like that. Now the way the filter works is, that's the top side, air comes in from the bottom side, outside air, and all the dirt and particulates and everything, it gets trapped right there in the bottom side. See that? The bottom side is dirty because that's where the outside air comes in from, and that's the top side and it's clean. So that's just how the filter works. Now before you put the new filter back in, if you want you can clean up the area with like a vacuum cleaner or something, just to get all the leaves and insects and everything out. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. Get the new filter and put it in the way I just showed, and once it's in, it should not move, it should just drop right in. The new filter should be the exact same size as the old filter. Once you put the filter back in, let's put the cover back on. Make sure it sits on, it's not moving in any direction. See, it's sitting well. That is good. Let's now put the clips back on to secure it. The first clip is on and the second clip. Now see what happened? I'm struggling there. You may have to move the cover a little bit. See that? Okay, now it's good. Now let's put the second clip on, then the third clip on, and finally the 4th one in the back. And that is looking good. And that's pretty much it. You just replace the filter in less than 2 minutes. Hope you found the video useful. In order to close the hood, first take load off the prop rod, so push it. Get the prop rod out of there, put it back in its place, secure it, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.